So Ji-sub and Choi In-jung, they have the 17 years gap in between them. They met in 2018 for the first time for interview while the Cho was still a reporter at SBS. She did an interview with the 42-year-old actor on was in March of 2018 when she sat down with him and did the interview. And it was no surprise that there was a spark right after the interview. According to his agency, they started developing feeling for each other after they did their interview. In 2019, they said they met through a television program last year and first met socially through friends. They became fond of each other and started dating. In April 2020, they finally got married to contribute a small comfort in this difficult time for everyone. They have decided to donate the 50 million won to good neighbors and provide the tablets and a computer to the children who lack the educational supports. After that, we have a Hichul from the Super Junior and Momo from Twice. They have a 13 years gap in between them. They both met each other in the shows where many K-pop celebrities took participation. After that, they began the feeling for each other, and then the rumor of dating started in August 2019. But both agency denied the rumor then. But soon, after the 1 month of a denied news, the both confirmed that they are dating in a real life and now they are still together. Despite of the age gap, they make a really cute couple and they are really couple goals. After so many difficulties, they are still together. Kim Go-yoon and Shin Ha-kyun. They have a 17 years age gap. Kim Go-yoon and Shin Ha-kyun suddenly announced dating from June 2016. At that time, the whole Korean showbiz was shocked. Many friends protested because of their age gap. Shin Ha-kyun was 17 years older than the Kim Go-yoon. Many fans were even predicted that they would break up quickly, and after only 8 months of being together, the couple surprised Korean showbiz by announcing their breakup due to the busy schedule and no time for each other. After the Korean media published the information, the management company of the two also confirmed. They said the two broke up at the end of the February. They felt apart because of their busy schedule. They will continue to maintain their hobbies like seniors and help to each other at work. According to the media, the large gap in them makes the two of them gradually separate from each other and thinks that the feeling are not love but only the feeling and the respect for each other. Park Bo-gum and Kim Yoo-jung. They have a 6 years age gap. The Moonlight Drawn by Clouds is a drama that brought fame together for them. And undeniably, the Moonlight Drawn by Clouds created a strong attraction for the fans when it aired in 2016. That's why the Park Bo-gum and Kim Yoo-jung received the much love from the audience. The perfect chemistry of them has made the fans constantly push their boat and wish they had something in a real life too. Many rumors of them dating also broke out shortly after the drama. On the morning of the 26th October 2016, Dispatch reported that the both of them were spotted checking out in the hotel lobby and then appeared at the Philippine airport to return to Korea. According to the fans, they both stood together very well, like a couple in love and wearing a couple outfit. The news they started dating was launched by Hong Kong Apple Daily on January 25, 2016, and they look very really cute with each other. Despite having a gap of 6 years, they have managed very well to look cute together and perfect. And one thing that was really perfect on point in the drama was their chemistry, which makes you really fall in love with the drama. Lee Min-ho and Kim Go-in. After the success of the King Eternal drama, the both have received the great attention from the fans. Therefore, many fans have pushed the boat for this couple now. However, whether they actually dated or not, both had never acknowledged or denied it. But the rumors they are dating in the media are still going on, and their age gap is 5 years. They have a 5 years age gap between them. The rumors they are dating in the media are still going on, and Kim Go-yoon fan men believe that they will really be a good couple if it happened in a real life, and many fans have even said that they gone on a secret dinner dates and also give the precious birthday gift to each other. They have a 5 years age gap and look so perfect with each other. The age gap is nothing in between them and their love is just pure. Bae Suzy and Lee Dong-wook. They both have a 13 years age gap between them. The Bae Suzy and Lee Dong-wook meet each other in the party event in 2012 and soon started dating after they falling in love and went on a several dates publicly and was seen together at many places enjoying their time with each other. But soon after the 9 months of dating, the both agencies revealed that they both had separated and not given the exact reason for their breakup. But when they were in a relationship, they really gave the couple goals. Despite of their huge age gap, there was nothing but just pure chemistry. After that, we have Ji Chang-wook and Nam Ji-yoon. They both have a 8 years age gap between them. Even they have an age gap of 8 years, they prove that all wrong and shows the best and amazing chemistry in the drama Suspicious Partner. And then during the drama, it was news all over that they have even begun dating off screen and are in a relationship. The Ji Chang Wook even said that they both go to the same salon and they really like to spend the time with each other. But till the date, the news of a relationship not confirmed nor denied. And last year, it was a news that they both are getting married. This couple give the really couple goals with the age years of a gap, but give a really couple and a funny and a cute moments to everyone. And every person loved this chemistry very much. If you have not watched the drama Suspicious Partner, go and watch the drama and you will surely going to love this couple and the drama too.